In this video, we'll be comparing two popular air fryers to help you decide which one is right for you. On the left side, we have the GoWISE USA 8-in-1 digital air fryer, and on the right side, we have the Gourmia air fryer oven. Let's get started. Both the GoWISE and Gourmia air fryers are priced at $89. The GoWISE air fryer has 8 pre-programmed cooking functions, including fries, chips, pork, chicken, steak, shrimp, cake, fish, and pizza. The Gourmia air fryer oven is a multifunctional electric oven that can fry, bake, roast, dehydrate, toast, reheat, and keep warm with 12 one-touch digital presets. The Gourmia air fryer oven has a larger 8-quart basket, which can fit whole meals, making it ideal for larger families. The GoWISE air fryer has a smaller capacity but comes with a basket divider accessory, allowing you to cook 2 meals at once. Both air fryers use rapid air technology to cook food with little to no oil, resulting in healthier meals with less fat. The Gourmia air fryer oven also includes fat removal technology in the basket, which removes up to 90% of fat during the cooking process. The Gourmia air fryer oven comes with a comprehensive 1-year international warranty, while the GoWISE air fryer offers a 30-day money-back guarantee, a 1-year warranty, and forever customer support. Thank you for watching our comparison video. If you found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more great product reviews.